What video games have devolved into, using bullshit like victimhood and
video on it got around 7 million views. You should watch it. Vital!
But H1Z1 had promises of more than just that, with things such as vehicles, a growing non-instance world, a virus capable of spreading amongst players and
manual recording will now start.
And some phenomenon where you basically paid full price for an unfinished game with the idea or promise that eventually they're going to finish it. The issue being in this case, well,
manual recording will now start.
Needed crowdfunding. They had launched already a dozen projects or something. This was clearly done deliberately.
Job well done, eh? They got rid of the global scoreboard.
Yeah, park your van in the middle of the fucking road, asshole.
Sorry. Here is one list. This is one non-comprehensive list of features stripped out of Battlefield 2042. Completely fail to understand your own game.
Okay, what the fuck are you doing?
Another important aspect of guaranteeing your game gets an appalling...
Or for the Commodore 64, another game, also called Conan.
How fucking lost are you? It's a fucking McDonald's. Do you not recognize that shit? Oh. Yeah, I ain't fucking with that.
Running around in 1981 using China's most modern 21st century assault rifle.
What a fucking delayed reaction.
The arrow and like they put in any effort. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. It's not that kind of game. There she is, the bad guy. Get her. She's still wearing her chef outfit. Yeah. Why is that her costume?
Manual recording will now start. Manual recording will now start.
You guys can keep giving me shit for turning my brights on. If they're not going to turn theirs off, why should I?
This Bosch brand, 6 to 10,000 orbits per minute. Specially designed palm grip for maximum tool control. The Bosch comes with a 3-year warranty. The Bosch has a soft start system. The Bosch is sandpaper to the sander. I'll place 10 pounds of weight on top of the sander for just a few seconds. I'll then peel back just enough.
Contrary to popular belief, that is not a pull-through. And one day it'll... Can you use the full lane, dude?
To be more readable. If it didn't indent it, and we had everything over here, then it would just all kind of flow together.
What are you doing?
And bleed together, and it would be...
About the history of WD-40, because nobody, and I mean nobody, gives a
fuck. Fucking stop.
And
as an Adeptus minor grade, due to Crowley's behaviour, Crowley visited the leader
nice fucking stop, USPS. Just another reason to hate kids and leave their shit.
By the players and so well supported by the developer. Deep Rock Galactic is challenging, exciting, thoughtful, and everything you do is on the clock.
Despite doing a respectable job, I might add. All you have to do is hit him where it hurts. Ain't that nice?
We're not going to be using any fancy effects for this message. We're just going to want it to appear immediately, and when you're finished, it'll just pop away. So let's go back.
I can't figure it out. I can only put a fuck ton of spin on the ball. That is all I'm capable of.
Deathloop is going to win nearly everything this year because activism. It's a blaxploitation game.
Load up any more than that right now because I don't know if this is going to run away or what. I've never shot this and I didn't really want to.
recording will now start.
Guys got to back up a little more than that.
Pieces to turn around. This does have an upside though, as being only one tile wide makes it fit in a lot of small and tight spaces.
Also, what the fuck is this doing?
Manual recording will now start.
It is fucking midnight on a late night road. And now you are blocking it. Get a fucking move on, you cretin. Yeah, I ran that. Fucking shoot me.
Only shows if the auto map is pulled up. These two, not with full map and not with overlay map.
Manual